Hello my Whoop friends. As some of you already know from my community post, I decided to convert my 16 gram 65mm Whoop with 31mm propellers to a 17 gram 65 Pro Whoop with 35mm propellers. In this video you can see my first test flights of it. Grox's comment in my YouTube community post and the video on his channel inspired me to do this. If you don't know his channel yet, then I recommend you to visit his channel. I will link his channel in the video description of this video. The deciding factor to me for daring to build a 65 Pro Whoop with 702 motors were the new lightweight Gemfan 35mm propellers. I had the feeling that with these new lightweight propellers it could be that the medium or high kV 702 motors were powerful enough to spin up the 35mm propellers. Many thanks to Chris, who once again kept me up to date and made me aware of these new propellers. And even though I have seen in the videos from Grox how well his Whoop flies, I was still amazed at how well this combo really flies. I would say some pilots will like this combo, a few maybe not, which I can also understand, especially with the top pro racers. But for some intermediate pilots, this combo is definitely worth checking out, and I think some will stick with this combo, simply because of the feeling of flying and the slightly longer flight time. And some other will still prefer 65mm Whoops with 31mm propellers. I might come back to this combo later this year. In this video I just want to show you that this combo is worth testing out. I hope you can see from this video that this combo has potential. Not to be better for racing like 65mm, but definitely different, and maybe better for some situations. But definitely not for classic 65mm tracks. 65mm remains the king on small and medium racetracks, especially in this day and age of ultra-light 65mm whoops. I hope you have fun recreating this whoop. Please also check out the other videos on my YouTube channel, and if my channel gives you some value, then you can subscribe to the channel, like my videos, and give me feedback in the comments. I am happy to be in contact with you, and if you show me that I should continue, that gives me motivation. Thank you my friends. Happy flying!
In the rest of the video you can see my current favorite whoop, the Beta FPV 75 Pro in my modified ButterflyFPV edition. I really like this whoop because it is a very good all-round whoop. If you are interested in how I modified this whoop, then check out the playlist about the 75 Pro on this YouTube channel. Happy flying, my friends!
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.